Hello and welcome to this video about sanebox, the ultimate email management tool. Are you tired of spending hours sifting through your inbox, trying to find important messages? Sanebox is here to help. What is Sanebox? Sanebox is a powerful email management tool that helps you take control of your inbox. It uses advanced algorithms to automatically sort your emails into different folders, so you can focus on what's important. How it works. To get started with Sanebox, all you have to do is connect your email account and let Sanebox do the rest. It will automatically sort your emails into different folders, such as important, to read, and later. You can also create your own custom folders and set rules for how emails should be sorted. Benefits of using Sanebox. There are many benefits to using Sanebox. It can save you hours of time by organizing your emails and making it easy to find important messages. It also helps you stay focused by keeping your inbox free of distractions. Plus, it integrates with popular email clients like Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail, so you can use it on all your devices. If you want to take control of your inbox and save time, give Sanebox a try. With its powerful email management features, it's the perfect tool to help you stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.